What if the price of Bitcoin you're seeing today isn't telling you the whole story? Every single day, hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin is being quietly bought up by the wealthy and the institution. The illusions of stability in price make it seems like Bitcoin is still widely available, but that couldn't be further from the truth. What happens when supplies runs dry and the price spike beyond reach? Let's uncover what's happening behind the scenes and why this is your chance to secure your future. Hey, welcome everyone. Today we're talking about a financial transformation happening right before your eyes. A shift so massive, most people won't realize it's until it's too late. Bitcoin isn't just an investment, it's becoming the foundations of a new financial system. What's even more surprising is that while most people are distracted by the price dips, the wealthy are accumulating bitcoins in the hundreds of millions of dollars every single day. This buying activity often doesn't reflect in the market price because it's happening through OTC, over the counter desk. If you have noticed the price dipping or stay stable, don't be fooled into thinking Bitcoin is still plentiful on the exchanges. The, the reality, it's disappearing fast, and soon the chance to buy at today's prices will be gone. But simply watching isn't enough, guys. If you don't act now, you'll regret not having your hands on this revolutionary asset. Guys, I've been talking about the wealthy buying bitcoins through OTC's desk, and I know it sparked some debate. Here's the thing, even though these big players are purchasing bitcoins off market, which doesn't impact the public price immediately, they are actually helping small investors like us in the long run. Think about it. If these big players weren't accumulating hundreds of thousands of bitcoins through OTC, all that bitcoins would flood the regular exchanges. This would dilute the price, making it difficult for bitcoins to grow in value over time. By removing massive amounts of bitcoins from circulation, they are ensuring that the remaining supply becomes more scarce and more valuable. Don't get it twisted. Just because they're buying through OTC doesn't mean there's a lot of bitcoins left on exchanges. Pretty soon you'll see the price spike so fast that most people won't even be able to afford 20,000 Satoshis. The key is to act now while you still can and secure your piece of the future before it's out of reach. The global financial system is on a shaky ground, with the US national debt now surpassing $36.2 trillion. Governments are printing money at an unprecedented rate, devaluing fiat currencies and eroding the purchasing powers of your savings. When fiat currencies collapse, and history show they often do, it happens quickly and chaotically. Bitcoins, with its limited supplies and decentralized nature, offers a lifeline. But as the cracks in the current system widen, Bitcoin's demand is skyrocketing and its availability is shrinking. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin, and millions of those are already lost forever. To put that into perspective, there are 8 billion people on Earth, but the available Bitcoin supply is so limited that even a tiny fraction will soon be out of reach for most. Wealthy individuals and entities are using strategies like OTC's desk to accumulate without driving up the price. The dips you see aren't signs of weakness. They're opportunity created by those big players to buy more. If you understand this, you will realize the price you're seeing is deceiving your eyes and your mind. It's an illusion that makes you think Bitcoin is still widely available when it's not. In the future, owning Bitcoins will be a privilege. The majority of people will no longer be able to buy it. They'll have to work for it. Imagine a world where wages are paid in Satoshi and even high paying jobs earns only 5 to 10 Satoshis per hour. Think about that. And when I say getting paid 5 to 10 Satoshis an hour is a high paying wage, it's because these Satoshis will still be growing in values potentially to infinity. And guess what? You need to bring your absolute best, your top notch craftsmanship and unwavering work ethic, or you might be get paid in something far less valuable. Now think about this. Owning just 0.01 BTC, that's 1 million Satoshis. Now ask yourself, what can you do with 1 million Satoshi? This could put you years ahead in this future economy. And here's the most exciting part. Bitcoins keep growing in value, unlike fiat currency, which are dying. Bitcoin feels alive. It becomes more valuable each month, each year. By acting now, you're not just buying an asset, you're securing a piece of the financial system of tomorrow, guys. It's no secret that big players don't like paying market price. They have the tools and resources to manipulate your perceptions, creating dips and uncertainty to shake out small investors. But the reality is these dips are when they're buying quietly, strategically, and in massive amount. Your job is to see through this manipulation. When Bitcoin dips, don't panic. Hold on to what you have and, if possible, accumulate more. The wealthy don't want you to compete with them, but by staying focused and convicted, you can position yourself for the future. You are living in one of the most transformative moments in financial history. This isn't just a market cycle. It's the beginning of a new era. But simply witnessing it isn't enough. If you don't invest in Bitcoin now, you'll regret missing out on this once in a lifetime opportunity. As Bitcoin becomes the dominant global currency, its value will be measured in Satoshi, the smallest units of Bitcoin. Everyday transactions like buying a burger could cost just a few cents, a few Satoshi. Those who own Bitcoins today will be in the strongest positions as this transition accelerates. Now, while Bitcoin has shown incredible growth and potential, all investment carry risk. Always do your own research, invest responsibly, and make decisions based on your financial goals. Bitcoin is more than an asset. It's the foundations of a new financial system. Those who act now will secure their place in this revolution, while others will be left working for Satoshis. The decisions you make today will define your financial future. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Remember, the journey to prosperity starts with a single Satoshi. Stay focused, hold tight, and stack it right. Take care.